the joy and experience the majesty of the Lion King on Broadway. Come experience it with someone you love and make new memories together. Visit LionKing.com today.
7-day-old tuna casserole.
Oh, here we go. God, that's loud. What? Is this supposed to be the test or something? What? What the heck? Gotta admit, the song's kind of catchy. I like it. Yeah.
CEO entrepreneur, born in 1964, Jeffrey Bezos. CEO entrepreneur, born in 1964, Jeffrey Bezos. Come on, Jeffrey, you can do it. Pave the way, put your back into it. Tell us why, show us how. Look at where you came from, look at you now. Zuckerberg and Gates and Buffett, amateurs can fucking suck it. Fuck their wives, drink their blood. Come on, Jeff.